Riflecx ENG Gun Care System is a complete solution for the comprehensive maintenance of firearms, ensuring their long-term and reliable operation. All products are manufactured in Poland and have received positive evaluations from the Military Institute of Armament Technology and the Air Force Institute of Technology. Always disassemble the firearm according to the manufacturer's instructions and adhere to all safety procedures. Disassembling a bolt-action rifle. Ensure the magazine is empty of ammunition. Disconnect it from the weapon if possible. Pull back the bolt and verify the cartridge chamber is empty. Remove the bolt from the rifle. Lay out the Riflecx ENG mat on the table. Secure the mat with the Riflecx ENG foiled cleaning cloth, which absorbs dirt perfectly and leaves a dry surface underneath. Always place the cleaning cloth with the foiled side down. Bore foam Riflecx ENG. Bore foam Riflecx ENG tightly fills the barrel, effectively removing any dirt. For more convenient cleaning of long barrels, a 60cm application tube is included. Shake the can for at least 30 seconds before use. To prevent foam leakage due to uneven positioning of the weapon, example with a mounted bipod, or to protect wooden parts from foam damage, plug the barrel at the cartridge chamber end with a wiper larger than the weapon's caliber. Insert the tube into the end of the barrel, plugging the barrel outlet with your finger or until the applicator touches the wiper. Apply the foam by gradually pulling out the tube. Set the parts with the applied foam aside for 10 minutes to allow the foam to work. Clean the remaining elements of the weapon in the meantime. If the foam starts to lose density before 10 minutes have elapsed, reapply. Gun cleaner. The strictly selected chemical composition and the highest pressure among market formulations make it effective in rinsing out all dirt, leaving the weapon clean and degreased. Gun cleaner is also safe for composite or wooden parts. Shake the can for at least 30 seconds before use. The product's high pressure and optimized formulation effectively rinse away dirt without the need to disassemble the bolt. Place the tube into the firing pin channel and remove the impurities. Wipe the rifle bolt with a cleaning cloth. Riflecx ENG cleaning cloth. A specialized cleaning material with a very strong fiber weave, ideal for both dry and wet work. Cut resistant. Leaves no threads on the cleaned surface. Made from cellulose and polyester, it has a high absorption coefficient. Remove the remnants of bore foam from the barrel using gun cleaner. Use gun cleaner to remove dirt from all the parts of the weapon. If your rifle has a thread at the end of the barrel, clean it. Make sure the crown of the barrel is clean. Use Riflecx ENG cleaning cloth to remove gun cleaner residue from the weapon. After using the gun cleaner, the weapon will be clean and degreased, but unprotected. Do not store such a weapon in a gun cabinet as there is a risk of corrosion. If the barrel was heavily fouled, use Bore Snake Riflecx ENG for thorough cleaning. Bore Snake Riflecx ENG. Equipped with copper brushes and a wider end of the string to dry the barrel, the possibility to connect the end significantly speeds up the cleaning process. Always use the bore snake in the caliber of the gun being cleaned. Insert the start of the bore snake into the barrel until it exits the other end. Connect the ends by tightening them firmly. Pull the bore snake straight out of the barrel, ensuring the ends are tightly twisted. Never pull the bore snake out diagonally to avoid damaging the crown. Care spray. Contains original Teflon, which regenerates micro damage to the metal and forms an effective anti-corrosion coating. It does not leave an oily film and is safe for wooden parts and composite materials, leaving a dry, shiny, and corrosion-protected surface. The hydrophobic properties of Teflon prevent water from sticking to the weapon, enhancing shooting comfort in rain or snow. Needles and sand will not adhere to the surface. Use Care spray on the surface of the rifle bolt. Always protect the firing pin channel against corrosion. Apply the Care spray tube to the channel and apply the product inside. Wipe excess preparation from the rifle bolt using the Riflecx ENG cleaning cloth. Compressed air. Essential for removing sand, dust, and excess product from hard-to-reach areas. It does not contain water. Attach the application tube to the compressed air can. Always use the can vertically. Use compressed air to dry the channel and firing pin seat. To protect the weapon against corrosion, carefully apply care spray to each clean and dry part of the weapon. Remember to protect the inside of the barrel. Wipe off any excess product with the Riflecx ENG cleaning cloth. Dry the barrel using wipers in the caliber of the weapon being clean. Always use them by pulling from the cartridge chamber to the barrel exit. Repeat the process until the wiper comes out clean. If you do not have a wiper, you can dry the barrel with a bore snake. CLP Oil. Intended for lubrication of moving parts of the weapon, ensuring smooth operation and preventing jams. The oil protects against excessive wear and provides protection against corrosion even under high temperatures. Apply a few drops of oil to the bolt of the rifle. Spread evenly over the lubricated surfaces. Ceramic grease. Prevents seizing of components and is ideal for protecting the chokes in a shotgun. It is heat resistant up to 1400 degrees Celsius and maintains high ductility at low temperatures, confirmed by the Air Force Institute of Technology. If you use a silencer compensator on your rifle, secure the external thread. Apply ceramic grease to the clean surface of the thread. Then, install the silencer or compensator. Reassembling the weapon. Insert the bolt into the weapon. Thoroughly wipe the weapon of excess preparations with the Riflecx ENG cleaning cloth or microfiber cloth. Riflecx ENG Gun Care System Hunter Set. Dedicated to double barrel and bolt action weapons. Available for purchase online or in store. Find a list of shops at riflecx.com.